So I work here at my desk, and I even sometimes eat lunch at my desk. I get crumbs all over my desk. I open packages on my desk, and you get little pieces of cardboard everywhere in packaging material. So I wanted to get something to clean all of that up occasionally that I could just throw in my drawer and hide it. And I didn't want to have to go get my big vacuum to vacuum everything. So I bought one of these. It's just a tiny little handheld vacuum cleaner, but with a twist. It works just like any other vacuum cleaner. It has a plug that goes right into your USB, so you can charge it. It is a USB Type-C, which a lot of chargers are today, so you probably even have one laying around, but you just charge this unit up. You can also add extenders to it. You can also add different brush attachments to it if you want to kind of scrub. There's a round one and a square one. There's also a real fine point and real long one for the extra twist. So instead of just being able to suck up all the dirt, you can also turn it around where the air is blowing out, and now you have an air duster, an electric battery-powered air duster. Instead of buying a can of air duster to blow down in between the keys on your keyboard, you can just buy one of these, which is going to blow the air out, and you can do a smaller point also if you want, which is great for getting down in between the keys on the keyboard. Pretty cool. So you can either air duster this side or you can vacuum this side. But I thought that was pretty cool, and when you're done with it, you can store it in the box, or you could just throw this thing in your drawer for when you have some crumbs that you need to hurry up and clean up. This would be great for countertops too in my kitchen. You can just put it in a drawer, and after you're done cooking, you take it out of the drawer and whoop, clean it all up, put it back in. Awesome for a vehicle as well. Too many uses for me to even talk about here. So I thought this thing was cool. I like when Amazon has elegant solutions for my everyday problems, and this is one that I found and that I'm enjoying and that I would definitely recommend.